Hi everyone, welcome to Morgan and Mallet. Today, we've got a super exciting opportunity for all you professionals out there. A European family recently relocated to Dubai is seeking an experienced, energetic, and highly organized live-in private chef to join their household. The family is composed of 2 adults and 2 children and follows a kosher lifestyle, making strong knowledge of kosher food preparation and kitchen practices essential. The role involves preparing daily meals with a focus on healthy, fresh, and high-quality cuisine, as well as cooking Shabbat dinners every Friday, during which guests are regularly hosted. This is a long-term position, ideal for a professional chef who is comfortable working in a private residence, demonstrates cultural sensitivity, and takes pride in maintaining consistently high culinary standards. If you found this opportunity exciting and want to stay updated on more like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for behind-the-scenes content, exclusive job posts, and more. The links are down below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.